Okay, we're here to check average loudness of your program or clip. If you want to find the average loudness, simply go to Audio Track Mixer, click down your triangle here at the top, click on the very right most track, which will be the master output track. Click on Special Loudness Radar, and when you double click this will have a few different settings. The default setting is -24 average loudness, which is usually for broadcast, -24 or 23. But for YouTube we usually have things a little bit louder, so we're going to go to CD master around -15. And to see how loud this track is, basically you press play and listen through, and it'll tell you on the bottom right what the average loudness of the program or clip is. And as you can see, this is pretty quiet. It's down to -26. So we want to export this one at around -15. So what we do to do that is press pause, and we can go into the track controls, or we can go to the actual clip controls and control the clip volume. That's the difference between the track controls and the clip controls. The track controls control everything on that one track. The clip controls control the actual clip. So we're going to up this volume here on clip number 1 to about 12 decibels, and you can see at the bottom it goes up and down. So we go to 12 decibels, go back to the beginning, and we click reset on our loudness radar. Now when we press play, we can see that the average volume is around -14 to -15. So this would be a good volume to output for YouTube. And be sure to play the whole clip through, because this will give a calculation of the overall program average loudness.